Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to round corners of an image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Rounding the corners of images or an image here in Canva is a simple process that can significantly enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or the design that you're working with. If you haven't already, just click on the templates. You can use a business template, a social media template, education template, video, marketing, and print products. Or just click on the create a new design and work from there. Now I'm going to upload a certain photo here. And if you wanted to round the corners of this specific image or any image here in Canva is really easy. You see right now it's rectangular in shape, but obviously it's a little bit like sharp edges. And if you wanted to create a round corners, all you're gonna do is go to the elements, go to frame, click the see all for frames, and these are the frame shapes. After that, hover along, you'll see the letters or characters and numbers. You need to click the bottom part and go beyond these characters, text letters, and numbers. There should be a rounded cornered kind of frame or shape here, which is just around here. We're almost there. This one right here, okay? So you see, it's a little bit rounded, right? Let's see if you can search for another one. I believe there is one that suits the our criteria. Let me just check, because it's been a while that I use this technique. No, not this one. It should be around here. Seriously. This is the frame that I am looking for. Alright, now, all I'm gonna do is drag the element by clicking on it and drop it to the frame. You see that? You were able to have the corners into a rounded effect. All right. Again, all I'm gonna do is go to element, go to frames. Okay. Now this a lot better. You see that? Okay. Now I'm going to add another photo right here. Say for example, this one. And I'm going again to the element section. I'm going to choose again the rounded corners. Just right here. Click it again. Drag the photo inside of it. So you see, I was able to create a rounded corners of images here in Canva. Once you are happy with this design, click on share. Click on download. You can download this PDF, JPEG, PNG, MP4, or JPEG. Or if you wanted to share this with your team members or your client, you can click on the copy link. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.